Alright everybody, here is all the junk I got from my shipment. I ordered 2 guitar stands, Pro Grip guitar stands. Hang it, Pro Grip guitar stand. It's okay to walk away. Anyways, I also got this Nemesis delay pedal by Source Audio. It's an awesome delay pedal, and I'll open that for you in a bit. I ordered a Mogami 10-foot instrument cable with the right angle and a straight end. I got myself some cool frost-byte guitar picks by Clayton. Nylon guitar picks. I thought they're pretty cool. I've never seen them in the stores. I got some packs of elixirs because I always need these. I use the 10 to 52s on my guitars. I also ordered a hard shell case by Gator, which is super awesome. Excited to check that out. And my Fender American Special Strat. I got the hard shell case because the American Special comes in a soft case, like a gig bag, and that won't do for me. I really need a hard shell case for the way I gig and put all my stuff, stack it up and all that in the back of my car. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so I want to start off first here with the Source Audio Nemesis delay pedal. 1 series. I really don't know what that means, but that's what it says on top. And sorry, I'm kind of sick, but you'll hear me sniffling and clearing my throat a lot. It comes with this little product catalog with all Source Audio's pedals and stuff like that, I'm assuming. And here we have the pedal itself, the Nemesis delay pedal. Pretty cool looking. We'll look at that right now. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. It comes with this 1/4 inch to... It's like a headphone jack. Oh yes, I did look up online and I'm pretty sure this is the cable that you plug into the pedal, and you plug this into your phone and you can transfer information from the app, because this pedal can be controlled with an app and it has a lot more sounds and effects that you can program into the pedal, and this cable is what you use to I guess download that information to your pedal. And right here we have a power adapter, AC adapter or something. It's really small, kind of funny looking, which I probably won't be using because I have power on my board already, my pedal board. So that's that. Let's take a look at the pedal. I'm trying to do all this with one hand because I'm recording with my other hand on my iPhone. Okay, so here it is. Looks like we got 12 different delay types that we can select from with this knob that you turn and stuff. We have a time knob, feedback, we got a modulation, the rate, the intensity, and the mix. And we have a tap tempo. We also have this little selector here, so you can select if you want to have quarter notes, dotted eighth notes, or triplet delay. Sorry, This is my first time recording something like this, so I might be pretty off on my camera angles and stuff. Okay, and we also have in the middle 4 presets that you can save with this button, and you can select them with that button. And then also I heard that you can save like a bunch more when you download the app. I think you can save another 4 or 8 or something like that. And then the on and off switch. And the buttons don't click. It's just a soft press kind of button. On the back, you got your control input, you got the DC 9-volt input for your power, you got an expression switch, USB connector thing there, you have 2 inputs with a MIDI in as well, and then you have 2 outputs with a MIDI through, which I probably won't even use any of that stuff. I'm not that fancy. So yeah, this is the Nemesis delay. I'm not gonna do a demo. Maybe another video or something. But this video is gonna be mainly for just unboxing all my stuff. So yeah, let's move on to the next item. All right, so next up to unbox is this Gator hard shell case. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and get the box open, because I will not be able to open this box while holding the phone at the same time. All right, so I got it opened with my keys. Let's see if I can just pull this out. Without hitting my hand on the fan. You know what, I have to put the camera down again, damn it. All right, so there it is. Gator cases. It's upside down, but whatever. Let me undo this little twist tie. Take off this plastic bag. Bam. All right. There it is. Super nice. Got a couple keys. Some little fresh packs. I could have sworn it had like a compartment where you close, but I guess it just has these little holes, but that's no big deal. It even has a little place for your name and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty slick case. Think I'm gonna like it. Alright, so next up is the Fender American Standard Stratocaster. I already opened up the box here. We have a little foamy thing here on top. Took that out. Let's slide out this. There's the guitar. Comes in this nice little Fender gig bag with this cool little pick zipper. Totally. Nothing like paying $1,000 for a guitar and they can't even give you a damn case. Hard shell case. Let me get this zipper open. Alright, I just opened up the zipper. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's take it out. Put it right here. Comes with this little, it's got some little foam wrap on it. I don't know if I'll be able to take it out with one hand either. And there we have it. It's the Sonic Blue with the mint green pick guard. Let me take out this little thing. super slick. Love the color. With the rosewood fretboard. Has jumbo frets. It's got the oversized headstock. Super sweet. In the back, the mint green plate right here. It's got a maple neck. And that's it. Let's see how it fits in the Gator case. Alright, so let's open this up. And damn it, should have taken these things out. There we go. Fits nice and snug. This case is made for the Stratocaster and Telecaster bodies, so it fits just right. Also, I wanted to check if there's anything that came inside this case. I think it comes with a cheap little, oh okay, we got the little whammy bar, the little Fender cloth, little Allen wrench, and some manuals and stuff. What else is there? Comes with a strap for the bag, so you can be all cool and wear the bag on your back. Man, this guitar doesn't even come with a damn cable or a guitar strap. Real shitty, but it's all good. I have a strap for it. So yeah, that's it. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the little guitar stand too, and I'll go ahead and test that out. Here it is. The Hang It Pro Grip guitar stand, engineered to keep your guitar safe. So we got here this part where the guitar sits on. A little tripod stand. It's pretty heavy duty. Like you can tell by me tapping on it, right? Let me go ahead and assemble this and I'll be right back. Right, here it is, assembled. Excuse all my mess. I've been just throwing everything everywhere while I've been making this video. But it's pretty cool. The guitar sits on here, and when it goes down, when you push pressure on it, it'll kind of close and hold the guitar. And it kind of leans back a little bit, so that I guess it prevents it from falling forward. Let me get the guitar and put it on. Alright, so here's a guitar. You put it there and it sits like that. And it has these little cushions so that your guitar does not get damaged. Pretty slick. Nice. So yeah, guys and girls, I appreciate you checking out my video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I didn't. See y'all later.